Welcome to this first tutorial on ART, where we will look at the basics of how to work with this computer program. You will notice that I most of the time pronounce the name of the computer program ART instead of RT, just like we try to pronounce the name of the developer framework that we have used as Qt instead of Qt. The first thing that I'd like to do in this basic tutorial is to have a quick look at the menu options. You'll find that many of the standard options that are available in any computer program, like open and saving files, are available here. And you'll see the analysis menu, which we will make use of later when we start running analysis. One thing I'd like to point out to you is the option to toggle the toolbars on from the view menu. If I toggle them all on my computer, you'll find that all the menu options are available as sort of buttons to click at the top of the screen, which is a convenient way to execute options in ART. The next thing we'll do is that we'll go through the different areas of the screen. These different areas are called panes, and to the left is the objects pane. And here we can view the models and the methods. Essentially what we do here is that we view the objects that you create that are part of your analysis. If we first look at the models, there are different branches. There's a library of models here that we will go into greater detail on later. And then there's the parameter branch. For example, the random variable branch, there's one option, namely continuous random variables. If I want to create a continuous random variable, I right click. So when I right click, I get this menu appearing here. If I click on create, I've created a random variable. Since that random variable is now the active object, namely the object that I've clicked on in the objects pane, you will find its properties in the properties pane. So here in the properties pane is where I can change the properties of that object that I've selected in my object pane. For example, I can change the name of the random variable like this. I can change different other properties. I can, for example, set the mean. I can set the standard deviation, and then you'll notice that many other parameters are being automatically computed. I could give the value of those instead, and then the mean and standard deviation will be updated based on those values that I give. So that's how you change properties of objects that you've selected in your objects pane. If you look at the output pane, that's where you're going to get the output during and after analysis. And then there's the main pane, the biggest area of the screen, where we visualize results. Here you can, for example, also go to the view map option, which is one way to visualize results, namely to view them on this map. So that was the first basic tutorial on ART, and in later tutorials we'll look at how to carry out analysis with this computer program.